Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best must-have equipment for pizza making at home that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So, let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the Orblu Pizza Dough Docker. This handy tool is designed to give you perfect, blister-free pizza dough every time. Made of food-grade, high-impact plastic, the Orblu Docker feels lightweight yet sturdy. It features staggered, sharp spikes that create evenly distributed holes in your dough, preventing puffing and ensuring a consistently crispy crust. Whether you're making pizza, pies, or cookies, this tool is versatile enough for various baked goods. In terms of usability, the Orblu Docker is incredibly simple to use. Just roll the spiked head over your dough and you're good to go. It's an excellent choice for home bakers and even commercial kitchens due to its ease of cleaning. It's top-rack dishwasher safe, which is always a plus. However, because it's entirely plastic, you might miss the premium feel of a stainless steel alternative. The Orblu Docker's affordability makes it an attractive choice for beginners or anyone looking to enhance their pizza-making toolkit without breaking the bank. It's not as versatile as some of the other products on this list. But if all you need is a reliable Docker, this is a great pick. Pros: it's lightweight, easy to clean, and gets the job done. Cons: it might not feel as durable as higher-end options. Coming in at number 4 is the Acavria Pizza Dough Docker. This premium tool ups the game with stainless steel spikes and a sturdy plastic handle, offering greater durability and efficiency. Its food-grade materials ensure safety and longevity, while its ergonomic design makes it comfortable to handle, even during extended use. The Acavria Docker is ideal, not just for pizza, but also for cookies, pies, and pastries, making it a versatile addition to your kitchen. What sets this Docker apart is the stainless steel spikes, which provide superior precision and durability compared to plastic alternatives. It's also a huge time saver, allowing you to quickly and evenly dock your dough without the hassle of using a fork. Cleaning is a breeze, too, thanks to its dishwasher-safe design and the inclusion of a cleaning brush. However, it's worth noting that this tool is slightly heavier than plastic-only models, which might be a consideration for some users. The Acavria Pizza Dough Docker is a fantastic choice for anyone who wants a high-quality, durable tool that performs well across multiple baking applications. It's a bit pricier than basic models, but the added durability and efficiency make it worth the investment. Pros: stainless steel spikes, versatile use, and easy cleaning. Cons: slightly heavier than all plastic alternatives. At number 3, we have the Fortune Teller 7PCS Pizza Oven Accessories Kit. If you want a complete set of tools for home or outdoor pizza ovens, this kit has you covered. It includes a stainless steel pizza peel, oven brush, bubble pop returner, rocker cutter, dough roller, and scraper, providing everything you need to make a professional quality pizza. The materials are food-grade stainless steel and premium wood, ensuring durability and a polished look. This kit shines in versatility as it's designed for use with wood-fired, gas, and electric ovens. The pizza peel is lightweight yet sturdy, making it easy to transfer pizzas, while the bubble popper ensures even cooking. The included rocker cutter slices through pizza effortlessly, and the dough roller and scraper simplify prep work. It's a well-rounded kit for serious pizza enthusiasts. While the Fortune Teller kit is an excellent all-in-one solution, it's on the heavier side, weighing in at 4.66 pounds. Additionally, it requires hand washing, which may be a drawback for some. This set is perfect for those who want to elevate their pizza-making game with professional-grade tools. Pros: comprehensive set, durable materials, and versatile use. Cons: heavier than some alternatives and not dishwasher safe. Our runner-up is the Muiz Aluminum Pizza Peel. This versatile tool is perfect for transferring pizzas, bread, and pastries with ease. Made from high-quality aluminum, the peel is lightweight and rust-resistant, while the foldable wooden handle provides a comfortable grip and heat protection. The included rocker cutter and storage bag add extra value, making it a fantastic all-in-one solution. The design of the Muiz peel is both functional and user-friendly. Its thin, smooth surface allows pizzas to slide on and off effortlessly, especially when dusted with a bit of cornmeal. The foldable handle makes storage simple, and the included blue protective film ensures the product arrives in pristine condition. However, some users may find the assembly slightly cumbersome, as the screws need to be removed to fold the handle fully. The Moiz aluminum pizza peel is an excellent choice for home bakers who want a durable, easy-to-use tool. It's ideal for use with a variety of ovens, and the included rocker cutter ensures clean, even slices. Pros: lightweight, rust-resistant, and foldable for compact storage. Cons: assembly can be a bit tedious. Finally, at number 1, we have the Chef Pomodoro Pizza Baking Set. This ultimate 4-piece set is designed for the serious home cook, allowing you to bake up to 3 11-inch pizzas simultaneously thanks to its stackable design. The non-stick, perforated carbon steel pans ensure even heat distribution and crispy crusts, while the rack provides ample space between layers for proper cooking. This set is a game changer for families and gatherings. Whether you're baking pizzas, fries, or other snacks, the perforated pans deliver consistent results every time. The non-stick coating makes cleanup a breeze, and the entire set is dishwasher safe. The sturdy design feels premium, yet it's surprisingly lightweight at just 2.2 pounds. The Chef Pomodoro set is perfect for anyone who wants to save time without compromising on quality. It's versatile, durable, and ideal for both beginners and experienced cooks. Pros: stackable design, even heat distribution, and easy cleanup. Cons: limited to 11-inch pizzas, which may not suit everyone's needs. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.